Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the Outsunny 80QT Rolling Cooling Bin, the ultimate solution for keeping your drinks chilled during outdoor gatherings. With a spacious 80-quart capacity, this cooler can hold a ton of ice and beverages, making it perfect for backyard barbecues or poolside parties. Designed with convenience in mind, it comes equipped with 4 rolling wheels for easy transport and wheel locks to keep it securely in place. You'll love the handy built-in bottle opener and cap catcher located on the front right side, ensuring you never have to search for an opener again. When the party's over, the drain plug allows for quick and easy water removal, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, with a variety of stylish colors, this cooler is sure to complement your existing outdoor decor seamlessly. Whether you're hosting a big event or just enjoying a quiet evening outside, the Outsunny cooler is your go-to for keeping things cool and stylish. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.